Yeah, if we're speaking about a design that clients want, sometimes they want a design that we have made before with other client in the past. Example, Dennis Villa, Bedwood, Raw Residence, and now it's all about Villa Baru. So this client really interested to our design that's it's already succeed in the market. So it's already built more than 60 units at Cepaka area, Kaba, and some other area. And it's owned by Mr. Wayan. So this client names Tony, Mr. Tony. His friend stays at Cepaka area at Villa Baru complex, and he felt the design is matched with his taste. He really loved the concept and everything, and he asked me to do something that quite similar. Because in order to achieve something, we cannot do everything as the client requested. We need to respect the design that we have been made from other project, from other client. This needs to be authentic. So that's our rule. So if we have made the design for one of our client and it's turned out that somebody else or other clients wants it, it might be work, but we cannot do exactly the same 100%. So we try to modify the output. We try to modify the output so it's not like 100% the same. But if we try to copy, we can copy about how the conceptual, how the layout that's going to be, the flow of the building. This is going to be something that we can provide for the client. So it's matched with his taste, his requirement, even it's not 100% the same as he asked it before. So just directly discuss now. Let's check about the condition in the land here. Because this land will be somewhere around Kedungu. It's near Mr. Sergey project. So DAP, led by Pak Lelo, already built 2 projects there that owned by Serge. And this is going to be the first project that owned by Tony that we will design and hopefully can be built by DAP. So the land is quite big. It's 851.35 square meter, and we're not going to use all. So Tony's planning to have some space that probably in the future he can build something there, maybe another villa or some facilities. So this is the area dividing. From here you can see the building area is 217 square meter for the ground floor and the top floor. This is going to be 2 bedroom, 1 bedroom on the ground floor and the other bedroom in the top floor. The size 217, we will consider this as a big space for 2 bedroom. Indeed, Villa Baru is the best and the biggest villa in 2 bedroom and really fits with the market. People love it. So we will copy the layout, but we will try to avoid to have the same setup in outside. So the presence of this building, the essence of this building will be really different. We will try to modify as we have the output will be completely different with the Villa Baru. The pool deck is 38.9. The pool is 40. The garden is super big, 257.3. This is the biggest garden that we've done compared to the other project. If we compare the composition with the land, storage is 6 square meter. That's going to be right on the corner top. Parking is 19.8. So this is fits around 3 car. 3 or 4 car, even 4 car. Like we have also the pond area. This is what I like because it's quite rare people asking for a pond, and this is the first time people asking for a pond on the design. And we have paving area. Paving area is the space where we can use it for the parking actually. So it's parking and the paving area. It's quite big if we combine together for a parking space. So that was the size, and let's see in detail about the flow. How I made this concept works for Tony request. As you can see, we goes from the corner of the land because this is sloping down. That leads to the view of the rice field and the river across the land. The building entrance is from the back. It's almost the same as we have on Villa Baru, but everything inside is quite similar. When you come inside, on the left side you will have this kitchen area integrated with the island. On the right side you will have staircase that leads to the top floor, and under the staircase we will have the powder room. The things that different here, when you come, before you come into the main entrance, we will have a beautiful font all along the way in this side, back side, combined with the sun plants. So it's going to be really beautiful. Water is something that gonna be increasing the mood, you know. It make you feel peaceful and you will increase your mood. This is what I felt if I see water element applied on the villa. It's really cool. To come inside, after you see the kitchen and the staircase, at the end of this area, you will find the space for the dining and also the living area. On the top of the layout, you can see we have one of the bedroom. This is going to be the secondary bedroom, not the master. So standard size 1.8 times 2 for the bed. The space we try to manage as comfortable as it is for the circulation access. Even though we have the bedside table, you still have a good access side by side that leads you to the dressing area on the back. And the bathroom has 2 sinks. It's really simple design. This is something that's gonna be evolved also. It has been evolved from the design of Barefoot Villa that's owned by Dennis. So it's quite similar but different. So we have that. It's quite big space for a bedroom, and the building will be attached to the storage area, as you can see. Outside we have the U-shaped pool deck, and that's going to be holding the pool. If you see how I made this design, the pool is quite big. It's 9 times 4. This is a good size for a pool. So that was the design for the ground floor layout. We go to the top floor. Top floor is really similar also as Villa Baru, but we still in the condition where we try to modify this one, because he a bit worried, is it going to be closed or open for the dressing? As you can see, when you come inside, on the left will be your bedroom, a big master bedroom, 2 by 2 meters, a big space for the wardrobe, really complete. I bet if it's a family, the wives will be very happy with this space. He can put all the dress there. And it has a big bathroom combined with the bathtub. Perfect master bedroom. And also has a balcony that leads you to the view directly to the side of the river and also the rice field. Beside this master bedroom, you will have a mezzanine. The good thing from this mezzanine, example, if you were new parents, you can use it as a kids room, or you can use it an office if you are a worker. You want to have like a work from home, you can use this as a space or yoga space. So that's it, the design for the layout. It's really unique. The design is really matched with all the condition there, because every area is facing right to the viewpoint. And what I get from the information, Tony loves black color, like dark element and everything. This is really good because it's going to be really different with Villa Baru. But for more detail and more clear visualize, let's check this animation and 3D. Check this out. First project that owned by Tony. A little bit story about Tony. He was our friend, our client that we get from Yas, and he quit from Yas and he already now working with us, with Gauri and DAP for the contractor. And in the future, I think we will have so many projects with him, I hope, because we have Sebastian, we have Anthony, and some other client like Medi also. And I hope this is going to be a good result. I really want to have this really beautiful masterpiece for him, so we can do another business together later. Okay, everyone, I think that's it for now. So catch up with all other project and all other video from our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned in our channel, Gauri at Division Studio. Bye bye.